Morning, Ate Joy. Ano pong name ng business nyo at ano pong product ang tinitinda nyo?
Concept clothing, tapos ang binibenta namin is long sleeves and short sleeves, mga damit.
Anong oras naman po nagbubukas isang store nyo at hanggang anong oras po kayo nag-open?
Nagbubukas yung store is 9:30 pero nag-start alas 10 hanggang 9:30 ng gabi.
Ilan po naman yung estimate nyong tauhan dito?
Kami sa isang brand, 2. Pero halos lahat kami sa isang store, 12.
Paano nyo po pinapamahalaan yung minamanage yung negosyo sa inventory?
Araw-araw kami nagsusulat pero buwanan kami kung magsulat ng inventory para monitor kung ilan yung nabibentang long sleeves.
Ito yung parang naglilista ba sila tuwing may mga nagbibili?
Oo, ganun. Para monitor yung lahat ng benta.
Kamusta naman po yung kinikita ng negosyo nyo?
Minsan malaki, minsan maliit.
Yung business nyo po ba nag-accept ng credit, ng transaction?
Oo, yun yung mas madalas na binabayad ni customer kasi yun ang mas malaki ang tawag dito, malaki ang discount.
Nagpapautang ba ang company, ang negosyo nyo?
Hindi nagpapautang si company kasi may tendency na malugi.
Yun lang po. Thank you.
To Ma'am Divs, I'm doing this presentation individually because my group isn't responding or cooperating with the task. I apologize for not including them in the contribution, but I've been messaging them for a long time, and they always do other learning activities at the last minute. Sorry, ma'am, for doing this on my own. They're not the only ones who are busy, and I also have priorities. So I did this because I don't want to be late with the learning activity. Thank you, ma'am. I hope you understand. Thielen from 12 Duke.